Hey my friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to take a look at how this amazing little ring pour came to be. I really like the colors in this, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy watching this video unfold and how this outcome comes to be. Now if you look at these colors here, the line that's over on the left, the gold, that medium blue color, that deep coral, and that purple that's over on that left-hand line, those are all metallic colors. And the gold in the front is, of course, Deco Art Metallics. Everything that is over on the right with that aqua color, and then the purple and the white going in that middle line back, and then that orangey color, the teal color, and the dark blue, all of those are non-metallic regular colors. Alright, so this is the palette and these are my paints, and we will be taking a look at how this all comes to be. So here I'm just layering the colors, starting with white, moving into a little bit of that gold, and my overall concept is to layer in a light dark fashion, but of course I do have some midtones, and so there's some consideration within those. Occasionally, I will put a couple of different colors like that medium blue and that aqua, which are actually similar in intensity, both being mid-range colors. I sometimes will put those next to each other if I'm imagining a certain type of effect that they may create together within the fluid art techniques. So sometimes that is my strategy when I do things like that. Let me know in the comments below if you sometimes strategize in that way as well. I would love to know that from you. And while you're at it, go ahead and please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you like my content, if you believe you'd like to watch my content again in the future. And if you're finding value here, I'd love to have you as a subscriber if that works for you. And if you want to click the bell to receive notifications of new posts, then go ahead and do that too. So I'll just go ahead and speed this up while we finish layering this cup, and we'll just get on to the procession of this painting. Look at the cells already forming in that cup. I think that's very interesting to take note of. And here we go with my favorite part, the pouring out of the cup. Look at that, my friends. Look at those beautiful colors and look at the flows of the paint. I love this part. I know many of you do as well because I've mentioned that before, and many of you have also let me know in the comments that you love this also, and of course you can re-comment on that if you would like to. And I'm just using a skew here to fix the end portion of that middle. Didn't dismount in quite an attractive way. And again, I'd really like to thank Mina Villegas for this technique. I don't recall seeing anyone do that before I saw Mina doing it, and prior to seeing her do it, I just had to live with a little bit of flaws in the middle section when that happened. So thank you, Mina. I appreciate the technique. It's a great contribution that you gave to all of us. Remember, my friends, this is part of the Tuesday evening premiere train where we bring you lots of beautiful treasures of art tutorials for your viewing pleasure, and I'm sure you'll gain some tips and tricks from us artists involved in this train. This is Choo Choo Tuesday, and not only am I a part of this train, but Lori of Lori Houston Art, Camille of Camile Amoy Art, and Nate of Nate Bright Art. Unfortunately, it's my understanding that Lori will not be able to join us this evening due to something that happened in her life, which was very sad. And so let us just think about her with love and care and sweet hugs within our hearts, and send her lots of beautiful etheric hugs and well wishes. I'm sure she'll be back with us very, very soon. And here I just wanted to give you a close-up shot of how beautiful this ring pour puddle has turned out. Look at all of the incredible lines and flows, and we can see hints of really incredible pebbling and lacings down there and some of those rings. This is absolutely gorgeous, even as it is right now. And I'm looking forward to stretching this out and seeing what unfolds. And here we go, my friends, our initial tilt. I am tilting quite slowly to open this up. This is actually real time. Look at how slowly and carefully I am working this canvas. I wanted you to get a sense of how slowly I am controlling this to help keep the integrity of this beautiful composition and all of these lines and beautiful effects that have taken place in this initial pouring out of the puddle. Look at how beautiful that outer edge is. Now I'm very sad that I know I'm not going to be able to keep that. Look at this paint coming toward us. Isn't this amazing? I love watching this. I love watching the paint do that. Let me know if you love that too. And thank you again for being here at my channel, and the other artists also thank you for stopping by theirs and being a part of their presentations as well. It really does mean a lot to all of us because, you know, without you enjoying our content, we really wouldn't even have a reason to make it. So thank you for being a part of it and being the recipient of our beautiful offerings. It really does help us to really just have a reason to continue to do what we do. So thank you for being a beautiful part of our artistic endeavors and a part of our video YouTube channels.